Only 7 runners will go to the post in Saturday's feature event at Cape Manus Park, but the outcome could be very exciting. The day's program will have 10 races. Champion jockey Radish Roman, who had a choice of rides, has chosen to partner the informed Zulu Warrior in Saturday's Ahwhofah Sprint, a 3-year-old and up overnight allowance contest over 6.5 furlongs. Zulu Warrior is currently showing as the 7-2 second choice in the overnight odds, which have the Dane Nelson Mount Atlantic Convoy as the 5-2 favourite. There's also good support for Major Danger at 4-1 with Linton Stedman, Teflon Don the mount of Robert Halladine, and the Shooting Star to be ridden by Paul Country Francis. The 4-year-old chestnut colt Zulu Warrior from the stables of informed trainer Adrian Prince has been very consistent in the overnight allowance category, failing only to make the frame once since coming to this level on September 7. His last race 2 weeks ago saw him chasing home a California Crown, going 5.5 furlongs. Prior to that, he won going 6 furlongs after rallying to beat the likes of Oil Machine and Provident, and another capital effort is expected this time around. The presence of 4-time champion jockey Dane Nelson on Atlantic Convoy should ensure a decent effort from the 5-year-old chestnut horse on whom he won a year ago. Zulu Warrior's stablemate, Shooting Star, who is seeking a hat-trick of wins, moves up in class for this contest, and with the visor now fitted, he's expected to figure prominently. Despite performing below par in their last races, Major Danger and Teflon Don are also due for improved efforts. This event will be run as race number 9 at 4:20 p.m. First post for the 10-race card is 11:30 a.m.